Hello children, today's lesson is the weather. Today we will talk about the weather and the weather report or weather forecast. So let's start. Listen and repeat. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining. It's snowing. It's stormy. It's windy. It's foggy. It's warm or it's hot. And it's cold. Well done. What's the weather like on these pictures? Match the picture with the right sentence. Let's start. 1. It's windy. Try to say the weather before me. Okay, let's continue. 2. It's foggy. That's right. Well done. 3. It's warm. 4. It's raining. That's right. This one is easy. 5. It's sunny. The opposite of warm or hot is cold. That's right. 7. It's cloudy. 8. It's stormy. And the last one. It's snowing. Well done, children. Let's continue. What's the weather like in spring? It's sunny and it's sometimes cloudy. That's right. And what's the weather like in summer? It's hot or warm and sunny. Well done. And what's the weather like in autumn? It's raining and it's stormy also. And it's foggy. That's right. And what's the weather like in winter? It's snowing and it's windy. That's right. Well done, children. And now tell me, what's the weather like in London, England? It's raining, that's right. And what's the weather like at the Bondi Beach, Australia? It's warm. What's the weather like at the Arctic? It's cold. What's the weather like in Africa? It's sunny. Well done. What's the weather like in Gorski Kotar, Croatia? It's foggy. What's the weather like in the United States of America, Washington, D.C.? It's stormy. What's the weather like in Senj, Croatia? It's windy. What's the weather like in Rome, Italy? It's cloudy. And the last one, what's the weather like in Russia? It's snowing. Excellent. Look at the map, children. It's the map of Europe. Can you name me some countries on the map? Možete li mi imenovati neke države koje se nalaze na karti, a članice su Evropske unije i obojane su plavom bojom? Na engleskom, naravno. Croatia, Italy, Spain, France, Austria, Germany, Greece, etc. Well done. Some countries are located in the west, like England, some in the east, like Poland, some are in the north, like Sweden, and some are in the south, like Spain. U gornjem desnom kutu nalaze se strane svijeta. East je istok, west je zapad, north je sjever, a south je jug. Look at the picture, look at the map again. Are you familiar with these capital cities? Let's find out if you know their countries. The capital of Croatia is Zagreb. Well done. Glavni grad Hrvatske je Zagreb. The capital city znači glavni grad neke države. The capital of England is London. The capital of France is Paris. The capital of Ireland is Dublin. The capital of Spain is Madrid. The capital of Belgium is Brussels. The capital of Germany is Berlin. The capital of Sweden is Stockholm. And the capital of Poland is Warsaw. Well done, children. And now open your books at page 66 and let's do the exercise A vocab box. Listen and match.
This is Radio 1. Here is today's weather in Europe. Let's start from the north. It's snowing in Stockholm. It's stormy in Berlin. It's raining in London. And it's cloudy in Dublin. Now let's go to Paris. What's the weather like in the capital of France? It's windy in Paris. And it's cold in Brussels. It's foggy in Warsaw, but it's warm in Zagreb. Let's go to the south of Europe, to Spain. The weather is nice and it's sunny in Madrid. Stay tuned to Radio 1.
Okay, and now let's check. 1. It's snowing. 2. It's raining. 3. It's cloudy. 4. It's stormy. 5. It's cold. 6. It's foggy. 7. It's windy. 8. It's warm. And 9. It's sunny. Well done, children. And now let's find out the temperatures in these cities. Tell me, what's the temperature in Zagreb? It's 18 degrees, that's right. And what's the temperature in Paris? It's 15 degrees, well done. And what's the temperature in London? It's 10 degrees. And what's the temperature in Madrid? It's 22 degrees. Well done. And now tell me, what's the weather like today in your city? You can look outside. It's cloudy, maybe. And what's the temperature today? You can look at the thermometer, or you can also look at your mobile phones. Okay. Well, it depends where you are. It's maybe 15, 16 degrees. Let's continue. Do you know who meteorologists are? Meteorologists forecast weather using various tools. Forecast means predict. The weather can change quickly. It's unpredictable, and the forecast can help you prepare for the weather. If you need to put on a coat or a scarf, take an umbrella, or wear a t-shirt. It can also save lives because meteorologists can warn us if a big storm is coming. A weather forecast is a prediction of what the weather will be like in an hour or tomorrow or next week. And the weather forecast includes the weather, temperature, wind, high or low pressure, and humidity. And now open your notebooks. Pause the video and copy this chart. You will do a 7 days weather report. Every day you will write what's the weather like. For example, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's windy. And you will also write the temperature. For example, it's 20 degrees, if it's 15 degrees, etc. For homework, you also have the weather report project. Draw a map of Croatia and write 8 cities. Then draw the weather icons near the cities, at least 5 different icons, and write the temperatures. Film yourself and your weather report. Znači, za domaću zadaću imate the weather report project. Nacrtajte kartu Hrvatske u bilježnicu ili na A4 papir. Zatim, na karti napišite 8 gradova: Pulu, Rijeku, Zagreb, Varaždin, Osijek, Zadar, Split i Dubrovnik i pored svakog grada nacrtajte ikonicu s vremenom i s temperaturom. Vodite računa o urednosti i obojite crteže vremenskih prilika. Zatim, osmislite vašu vremensku prognozu i snimite se kako ju izlažete. Prilikom izlaganja pokušajte svojim riječima prezentirati vremensku prognozu bez čitanja. Ovaj projekt bit će za ocjenu, a ono što ću vrednovati je sljedeće. Je li vaša nacrtana vremenska prognoza uredna? Znači, jesu li karta Hrvatske, gradovi, crteži, ikone vremenskih prilika uredno nacrtani? Jeste li slijedili sve upute? To jest, jeste li odabrali 8 gradova, pored svakog nacrtali ikonicu s vremenom i napisali temperaturu, te jeste li koristili najmanje 5 različitih vremenskih ikonica? Što to znači? Da na vašoj karti ne bude samo it's sunny ili it's cloudy, već da vaša vremenska prognoza bude raznolika. It's cloudy, it's sunny, it's stormy, it's windy, it's raining. Važno je da prilikom izlaganja spomenete svaki grad, kako je vrijeme i temperatura. Ono što ću vrednovati je i vaša kreativnost, izgovor, ispravna upotreba rečenica te cjelokupna prezentacija i izlaganje, ali i poštivanje roka. Video vaše prognoze pošaljite najkasnije do 11.5. A kako biste uspješno napravili vaš projekt, u nastavku sam vam pripremila neke rečenice koje možete koristiti prilikom izlaganja. So here are some useful phrases for your weather report project. First, introduce yourself. Good morning, I'm Anja Rumac from Belvedere News. Let's take a look at today's weather in Croatia. Some useful phrases to use are: it's mostly sunny, it's partly cloudy, it's cloudy in Zadar with 20% chance of rain. Rain is expected in Zagreb in the afternoon. A few cloudy periods in Pula with a slight chance of rain. It's sunny, nice and warm in Split. Temperatures are going to rise or temperatures are going to drop. The temperature in Rijeka is 14 degrees. Don't forget your umbrella. Showers are expected in Osijek. Warmer weather is on the way. Perfect for a nice walk. And to end your weather report, you can say, this has been your daily weather report. Stay in tune. I'm Anja Rumac. So, for homework, write the title in your notebooks. What's the weather like? Znači, za domaću zadaću, otvorite vaše bilježnice i napišite naslov What's the weather like? Zatim, nacrtite crteže svih vremenskih prilika i pored svakog crteža na engleskom napišite kakvo je vrijeme, na primjer it's sunny, it's cloudy. Drugi dio domaće zadaće je sedmodnevni weather report, znači prepisati tablicu i u nju kroz 7 dana bilježiti temperaturu i kako je vrijeme. I zadnji dio je vaš weather report project, snimiti vašu vremensku prognozu i poslati je do 11.5. Bye bye, hugs and kisses to all of you, and have a nice day.